have a fun, easy summer treat recipe for you.
Woo!
Kind of like a mix on s'mores. And we think it's perfect for the 4th of July weekend.
Any barbecue, summer hangout, make it.
You don't need a fire pit. You don't need to go and make yourself a fire. That's the fun part. We're gonna make a s'mores dip. And it's only 3 ingredients. All you need is marshmallows.
I almost fell.
Chocolate chips and graham crackers. And it takes like 10 minutes total.
I feel like I'm
on a game show.
Yeah. This is your grandpa.
And this is your skillet.
Tell that to my frying pan.
So it's super easy. We're just gonna throw it together. Really simple. I don't know what else to say.
You're gonna want to make it because it's flippin' delicious.
Yeah.
So you will need for this recipe a cast iron skillet. I have a Lodge brand. I'm not quite sure where my parents got it for me, but I think you can get them at country stores and a lot of just grocery stores have them.
Fun fact, Cabela's $19.99. I saw it yesterday actually.
Hey, Food Town like $13.99.
Yeah.
So
Hey.
our little local grocery store. But so make sure you have a cast iron skillet and then make sure it is greased pretty well so that this doesn't stick to it.
So like we said, our 3 ingredients, marshmallows, chocolate chips, graham crackers. So step 1, I couldn't think of the names.
Guys, pregnancy brain. Pregnancy brain.
She is showing. Okay, so step 1, you're gonna take the chocolate chips, put them in the pan.
And we're just gonna make it really even. Yeah, let's just go for it.
Hands are washed.
Throw that in.
Don't worry.
And this part doesn't have to be perfect. You just want the bottom of the skillet.
A nice even layer.
Yep.
How's it going?
It's going real good, Maddie. How you doing?
I'm good.
Of course, they tempt me with the delicious recipes when I'm trying to be good and eat healthy.
Okay, step number 2, marshmallows. To make this a little quicker, to bake faster, we're gonna cut them in half.
Sweet.
So we have baking scissors. Maddie's gonna hand, I'll cut, Kenzie's gonna place. Just evenly.
Again, an even layer.
Yep, just covering the chocolate chips.
You guys, and this is such a fun recipe to have your kiddos help you with because it's like not too messy. They can do this and you're not gonna have stuff.
You
all
can cut
over.
the marshmallows and they can place it.
Or if you have little kid scissors, let them practice cutting.
Such a good idea. Carson and Coda's kindergarten teachers said that they had so many students that didn't even know how to hold a pair of scissors or a pencil or a crayon. But then
Okay, scissors I get because sometimes I'm still like, with scissors.
But then they
a
said-
pencil?
Yeah.
No, but you have kids
Well, then they
scissors that
said-
don't hurt you.
yeah, then they said hand them an iPad and they can work that thing like a pro.
However,
It's kind of sad.
I do think it's sad.
Age of technology.
Yes,
folks.
but at the same time, in 20 years when our kids want a job, they're not going to care if they know how to hold a pencil.
Or scissors.
They're going to care if they know how to work technology. So I see both sides to it. Teach your children how to use a pencil, but
What are your thoughts, guys?
technology is important.
We just got real deep
Unfortunately.
here.
Yes, I love technology.
We're getting bored cutting marshmallows.
Unfortunately, technology is important.
Apparently, have you guys seen that video of that kid
My shirt is like wet.
being interviewed on the live news?
And he goes, yeah.
No, and he goes, well, apparently I've never been on live television before, and apparently this ride is really fun,
And apparently, I've never been on live television before.
and apparently my grandpa wasn't gonna bring me here because he had to watch the, what's it called, the
The Powerball.
lottery number. It's so funny.
Apparently that was his word of the week at
He just
school.
says apparently 100 times. He ended up going on the Ellen show, and every time I hear someone say apparently, in my head I go apparently.
Apparently,
Guys, Maddie really wants to go on Ellen. Give us ideas on how to get her there.
Please.
You have to do something cool.
Ellen would love me.
You have to do something to get yourself there. Alright, try.
Let's do it. Let's do it. I want to see it.
And then you have to go chubby bunny.
Ready, go.
Well, this one's like half inch.
Okay, you got it.
With your bunny
Can't cheese.
Oh, that works. Chubby bunny. No, I mean the ears.
Oh, when you put these in.
I'm crying already. I really can do like 3, I think. Especially if I get a laugh.
I cannot. My mouth is real small.
Do one more. Do one more. Try.
Oh, girl.
Pepperoni.
Okay, get rid of that. I can't even throw up. Maddie!
Okay, so look how pretty
Wait,
that
one
is.
second. Let me get this.
Oh my.
We're gonna be grateful for him one day.
What?
She's still like chewing her food.
I am grateful for you.
One day. One day. It's on camera now.
Not now. For my beautiful nephews.
We'll be grateful for you one day.
Not what I meant.
So look how beautiful this looks. Once you have both things layered like that, you put it in the oven at 450, right?
Yep, for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on, of course, elevation. I think here where Kenzie lives, probably like 5 to 8 minutes.
We're super high up.
So just watch it. You just want your marshmallows to your desired roast. So if you like it golden brown or not golden all, or if you want it like charred, I guess keep charring it. I don't know.
Golden brown, baby.
So we're gonna go for the golden brown look.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, you just have 4 marshmallows. The dishwasher, I'm literally melting.
Later.
Ooh la la.
When we opened that oven, Maddie saw, what did you do?
I don't know.
Oh, those look dang good.
Look how golden brown it is.
Perfection, you guys. Right there.
Literally took 5 minutes to
If that.
bake and like 3 minutes to put together.
Why do we roast over a fire? They never look that
And
good.
we don't even smell like campfire now. Win.
Your kid doesn't pull his marshmallow off the roaster and then slide his fingers and go, Mom!
Oh, that makes it cringe.
I know.
Okay, so are we doing this?
So we just broke up graham crackers and it's a s'mores dip. So we're
Yeah.
literally just gonna dip.
Like-
We've never had this before, you guys. I don't think we mentioned that. This is like a first time Pinterest success or fail. We'll find out really soon.
You gotta get chocolate.
I know. You gotta go more into the center, I think.
Okay. Oh.
You can like knock on that sucker.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that looks. I think I only get like one of these, so I better enjoy it.
Oh, I don't do the whole thing.
What did she say?
No.
Put the whole thing in?
What the heck?
That is real good.
Good enough to double dip.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You guys, what the heck? How have we lived our whole life without this? I'm not
We gotta
joking.
make this every weekend at Mom and Dad's.
Sorry, Mom and Dad, screw your fire pit.
Yeah, I'll be having s'mores inside.
That really is so good.
Now look at that.
You do what Cody does. You make sound effects when he films stuff.
I did this.
You see his face when he did it? I love you, babe.
Sound effects are the best,
We'll
Maddie.
be grateful for you one day, Connor.
Inside joke from 2 minutes ago.
Oh, it's gonna be in the video. Don't you worry.
Okay, I want another one.
That's way good. Like,
Guys.
super good.
Please, okay, seriously,
Please make this.
make this
This weekend.
this 4th of July weekend.
Even if you're not in America and you don't celebrate the 4th of July,
Celebrate
Make
s'more
this.
dip, okay?
You've seen us make recipes before, and you've seen me take like 1 or 2 bites and be like, yeah, this is my 3rd freaking graham cracker. Like, that is real life telling you
It's
that
good.
I like this. And
It's
if I
really
like
good.
it, everyone will like it.
It's true.
So,
But you guys, I don't think we mentioned this. This was a Pinterest idea that we just saw online because we were looking for 4th of July recipes and we're like, this would be really fun. We've never tried it. So this was either gonna be a Pinterest fail or a Pinterest success and it's a win. We're seriously in
all
love.
the thumbs up.
We literally just said, sorry, Mom and Dad, like screw your fire pit. This is our s'mores from now on because how have we lived our life without, guys, this is so good.
It is so good.
Less
I'm trying
than
to
10
remember.
minutes.
Yeah. Like, it took us like 3 minutes to put together, and it would have been quicker if we weren't talking. And it was only in the oven for like 4 or 5 minutes.
Yep.
So super quick.
so good.
It's killing me not to eat more. But you guys, I'm eating clean. I'm trying to be healthy.
It's okay, it's more for me. And I'm
It's
not.
killing me.
we're obsessed.
Us three have grown up, like literally every weekend of our lives, especially in the summer, spring, summer, fall, roasting marshmallows and making s'mores around the campfire. But these are kind of like next level.
Yeah, this is like gourmet.
Gourmet. What are you gonna do?
I have the biggest bite in my
Oh, I'm like, no, what are you gonna do? I'm not eating it.
I will, let me finish talking.
You don't want it to be on camera. So
If your
nice.
kids want s'mores and you don't want your house to smell like campfire.
Well, and I made s'mores in the oven the other day, but they were messy because the kids would like squeeze the graham crackers and it would like all fall out. This is not messy, guys. They dip.
We have
So
Kenzie's
good.
kids here. We're gonna bring in a minute to finish this off for us and you guys can see their reaction. But when you make this weekend, please take a picture and send it to us
Tag us.
on Instagram.
Yes.
Because we want to see how many of you made this and if you love it as well. Yeah. I think that's it. We're gonna eat this now.
Are we just saying thanks for watching?
all together at the same time?
Yeah, that's kind of like a seance.
I feel like I'm in a cult.
Thanks
for watching.
Look at me. You're in a cult, call your dad. We love you guys and we'll see you next time. Bye. I really wish I could have more.
Thanks so much.
Well, I'll just do this.
My stomach hurts so
Was it hot?
You guys, that's so good.
You gotta come try this, dude.
Coco, you're gonna pass out. Don't touch
Come over here. Oh,
touch the pan.
you gotta go wash your hands first. Look at his hands.
Oh, I ate so much I'm gonna throw up. Bomb.
It's good.
Bomb's big.
Okay. Wanna try it?
Honey, our house is hot. We need AC.
Let me plug your kids in. I made you guys these all by myself because I love you so much. Don't tell Daddy.
Don't tell Daddy. Is that so yummy?
Is that? Why have we never had these?
You love them?
Is that your
What?
favorite s'mores?
They made that for you.
One more.
Don't touch the
Couple
pan.
more.
The pan is hot.
That good, Kinley?
Do you want more?
Good.
You're just good for one. You have self-control, we don't. Wow. Thanks, kid. Tiny. The best, huh?
Okay, Cocos.
I forgot. I was looking at Kenzie to do it.
I would just shove it with those,
I'm not doing that to them. I'm doing it to the freaking dishwasher that's blowing hot
That's
steam
so
on me.
hot. Okay.
Okay, ready? Hey guys, look. Stop.
Parent
Ready?